Are you getting that frustrating ineligible country error? Here's how to bypass geographic restrictions properly. Are you traveling or using a VPN? Let me know in the comments below. First, check your actual IP location. Sometimes ISPs route traffic through unexpected countries. Disable all VPNs completely. Facebook's detection now see most commercial VPN IP ranges on mobile. Turn off GPS or location services for Facebook temporarily while setting up new features. For business tools, try accessing through business.facebook.com instead. Some features have different geographic rules. Contact support with utility bills providing your address. This can whitelist your account manually. Working now? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.